How to fix Alinma Bank app not working. If the Alinma banking application isn't working, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using any proxy or VPN settings, make sure to disconnect your device from any proxy or VPN settings as well. If you are using the Alinma mobile app on Android, long press the app icon, tap on this I button that says App Info to take you to the app information page. This setting will be found on almost every Android device. Then from here you can go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Then once done, also check if the Alinma app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Make sure that you allow the location access whenever you are using the Alinma app as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.